Hello kids. My name is Ollie the Octopus. Welcome to our underwater adventure. Are you ready to meet some amazing sea creatures? Let's go. First, let's meet my friend, Sammy the Seahorse.
Sammy, swish and sway seahorses swim in a special way with a curly tail and a tiny snout. Sammy's here, let's give a shot.
Next, we have Tina the turtle. Slow and steady, here she comes.
Tina swims so slow through the water. Watch her go with a shell that's so strong. Tina's here to sing along.
And look, it's Jilly the Jellyfish. So wiggly and jiggly.
Jilly, floating free jellyfish glide in the deep blue sea with tentacles that shimmer and glow. Jilly's here to say hello.
Last but not least, it's Starry the Starfish. Bright and shiny.
Starry on the rock, 5 arms waving tick-tock with a smile that's so. But Starry's here, what a sight.
Now, let's sing a song about our new friends. Ready?
Under the sea where it's cool and bright we swim and play from morning to night with Sammy, Tina, Jilly and Starry. We're friends forever, oh.
Thanks for joining our underwater adventure, kids. Remember, the ocean is full of wonders. Please like and subscribe to our channel.